Okay, good morning, everyone. Good evening, depending on where you are. So, this time around, we have come again, but with advanced level biology, paper one. And there are 50 questions with answers. You are choosing answers either A to D, so among the A to D, multiple choice. So, question one goes: which of the following organelles is the site of ribosome RNA? Ribosome RNA synthesis. The answer is C. So a little R, RNA. The answer is C, ribosomes. Question 2. Of what importance is the di- dichotomous branching of the marine algae focus? The answer is C, to minimize resistance to the flow of water. Question 3. Intracellular enzymes are produced inside the cell and control metabolic processes in the cell. An example of such an enzyme is, the answer is C, RNA polymerase. Question 4. Facilitated transport differs from diffusion in that facilitated transport, the answer is C, involves the use of a carrier proteins. Question 5. The following cells will be activated first when the body is invaded by a virus. The answer is C, microphage. Microphage. Question 6. The organelles that contain the enzyme catalase. The answer is D, microtubules. Question 7. Which of the following pathways does an oxygen molecule follow when inhaled by an insect? The answer is B, spiracle and trachea. Spiracle, trachea. Tracheals and living cells. Question 8. A Q10 value is an exothermic animal indicates that the metabolic rate, the answer is B, triples when the body temperature increases by 3 degrees Celsius. Question 9. During human development, which part of the plasma during human development, which part of the blastocyte will develop into a fetus? Blastocyte. Which part of the blastocyte will develop into a fetus? The answer is D, inner cell mass. Which of these groups, question 10, which of these groups of organisms are heteromorphic? and possess separate hyphae. Question 10 is B. The answer is B. The answer is B. Question 11. The hormones which promote the ripening of fruits is the hormones which promote the ripening of fruits is the answer is C. C. Question 12. Which of the following correctly describe plasmid? The answer is D. Small circular piece of DNA locate in the cytoplasm of many bacteria. Question 13. According to Hardy-Weinberg principle, allele frequency in a randomly mating population will. The answer is B. Decrease with the increase in the population. The period of human gestation. Question 14. That is question 14. The period of human gestation is divided into 3 trimesters or stages. Which of the following events is correctly matched to its trimester of occurrence? The answer is C. The lymph nodes develop in the first trimester. Questions 15. That is 15. When you bend your arm, the bulge seen at your elbow is part of the. The answer is B. Oh, nah. Questions 16. So for question 16 to 27. So you answer 16 to 27, or one or more of the responses are correct. So choose. So downstream processes in biotechnology involve. The answer is B. Is B. Question 17. A nonsense codon. A nonsense codon. The answer is C. The answer is C, which is 2 and 5. So questions 18. The exchange of materials across membrane is or are. Question 18. The exchange of materials across membrane are. The answer is A. The answer is A. Then question 19. Which of the following characteristics does an endocrine gland have? The answer is B. B. Which is 1 and 3. Question 20. Which of the following does DNA replicate? Which of the following does DNA replication require? The answer is B. Question 21. The following mechanisms will favor cross-pollination. The following mechanism will follow cross-pollination. The answer is B. Question 22. Which of the following statement is or are true of the mammalian liver? The answer is A. Question 23. Allomeric growth can be defined as. The answer is A. Question 24. In enzyme activity, the molecule NADP can be considered as. The answer is D. D. Question 25. During photosynthesis, the light-dependent reaction will. The answer is B. Question 26. The Sertoli cells play which of the following roles in the testes? The answer is C. Question 27. Which of the following statements apply to members of the class Alps? The answer is B. An ecological niche can be defined as the place where an organism lives. An ecological niche can be defined as. That is question 28. An ecological niche can be defined as. The answer is C. The role an organism plays in an ecosystem. Question 29. Which of the following communities tend to produce more organic material than it uses? The answer is B. The herb community. Question 30. In which of the following habitats would it be most likely to find an animal which maintains a constant body temperature, excretes urea, has a large surface area in proportion to its volume, and long kidney tubules? The answer is B. The following is an example of discontinuous variation in humans. The answer is C. For questions 32 to 38, there are two statements. Read through the statements and then choose. So the first statement is that the cytoplasm cells are generally not isolated from one another. Statement 2. The cellulose cell walls is interrupted in an intervals by plasmodesmata Plasmodesmata. So you choose question 32. The answer is D. The answer is D. Question 33. Ruminants chew the cud or ruminants. Question statement 2. The diastema helps ruminants chew grass by keeping grass freshly cropped from that being chewed. The answer is B. The answer is B. Question 34. Nematodes have a color. Statement 2. Nematodes are triploblastic. Triploblastic. The answer is D. D. Questions 35. As open to pyramids of numbers, pyramids of energy is never inverted. Statement 2. Only about 10% of energy flow from a lower trophy level to a higher trophy level. So hi guys, I want to say that I want to tell you about a story about the answer is A. Question 35. Answer is A. Question 36. Which fed with fed batch culture, the period of growth is extended by adding nutrients at high concentration during fermentation. With fed batch culture rate of growth can be regulated to keep pace with the rate at which oxygen can be supplied. The answer is A. Question 37. During manipulation of a gene, a plasmid may be used as a vector. A plasmid contains extra DNA. Question 37. The answer is D. Question 38. Parthenogenesis is a form of asexual reproduction. Parthenogenesis involves gamete formation. The answer is D. Question 39. The following pairs represent an analogous evolutionary feature. The answer is C. Question 38. The answer is questions 38. The answer is C. C, which is parthenogenesis is the form of asexual reproduction. Parthenogenesis involves gamete formation. The answer is C. Question 39. The following pairs represent an analogous evolutionary features. The answer is D. D. Questions 40. Gonadotrophic hormones include. The answer is B. Question 41. The most immediate effect on FSH, follicle stimulated hormones synthesis, is A. The answer is B. B. Fall in progesterone. Question 42. Which of these is a characteristics of hormones? Question 42. Which of these is a characteristics of hormones? The answer is C. Small quantities can produce effects. Question 43. The group of organisms that contribute to the primary productivity of an ecosystem is? The answer is B. Protozoans. No, no, no. Okay. The group of organisms that contribute to the primary productivity of an ecosystem is? That is 43. Question 43. The answer is algae. Algae. Sorry about that. The answer is algae. Is A. Question 44. In which of the following natural areas or situations might nutrification be favored? Question 44. The answer is B. Anywhere there is sufficient oxygen for the decomposition of all accumulated organic matter. This is B. Question 45. A drug that inhibits excretion of bicarbonate will cause the blood to become? 45. The answer is A. Acidic. Question 46. Question 46. The active portion of the cytochrome oxidase enzyme is a heme group. It contains a mineral element which can exist in the oxidized or reduced state. This element is? The answer is C. Ions. 47. The enzymes acetylcholinesterase. So this question, the answer, just to read, the answer is, the answer is A. Is A. Question 48. The role of RNA polymerase is to? The answer is B. Question 49. Question 49. The volume of air taken in during inspiration, which does not take part in gaseous exchange, is known as? The answer is D. Dead space air. Dead space air. Question 50. The immunity produced when the body manufactures antibodies on exposure to an infectious agent is known as? The answer is C. Natural active immunity is the answer. Thank you very much, please. We are going to have the next questions in 2016, advanced level biology 2016. So thank you so much. Read and succeed well. Wish you the best.